Our range of accessories, including pet products, is as meticulously designed and created as you'd expect from Range Rover, with everything from quilted load space liners to spill-resistant water bowls. All these touches are matched by the vehicle's unrivaled off-road and towing capabilities, with such features as the electrically deployable tow bar, making it a refined and secure tow vehicle. Unique accessory wheels add to the vehicle's overall appeal. Automatic electrically deployable side steps make getting in and out easier and loading and unloading roof accessories stress-free. Crossbars are easy to fit, eliminating the need for roof rails, and can support a range of roof-carrying accessories. A roof box readily holds your luggage. A ski and snowboard carrier keeps your equipment secure, and you can carry bikes on this wheel-mounted cycle carrier. A dash cam features full HD front and rear video cameras, which can also be set to record should your vehicle be approached while parked. It all helps you make the most of life.